Good morning from Tallinn, Estonia. Ayan, today I'm gonna show you around. This is my second day. Let's go. So this is the iconic gate of the old town of Tallinn, Estonia. Yan. Okay, here's a little bit of history of the Viro Gate at the start of important roads. Viro Gate, first mentioned by name in 1362, and the street linking it to the lower town marketplace received their German names due to the proximity to clay pits located nearby. This is the main gate tower along with the Barbican and the watermill located on the adjacent moat, were constructed during the 14th to 15th centuries. Ayan. So right now, we will head to the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral because I did not check that out yesterday. Yesterday, I have seen so many churches, and I hope that you will check them out. I think it's on the first episode of my Tallinn vlog. Please don't forget to watch, like, and subscribe. Ayan. So right now it's already 1 o'clock. So tourists like me are out, of course. Group tours, DIY, families. Ayan. And the weather is so nice. It's windy and a little bit chilly. The weather forecast said yesterday it's gonna be rainy today, but yeah, there's no rain. So here, I'm gonna show you a lovely street. There you go. Every corner here is picturesque. Yan. Rabbit hole. Well, fun fact. The rabbit hole I only fell into is the BTS rabbit hole. I'm happy to see someone smiling. Yeah, it's the impression of people of the north over here. They're cold. Okay, as cold as the weather, but somehow there's still friendly smiles around. Okay, so if they're smiling back or they're smiling, smile them back, because it's rare that someone would be smiling. All right, here we go. Ayan, dito, uso po sa kanila ang nakaupo sa labas. Because the weather is so nice. I think the hottest that I have experienced yesterday was 25 degrees, which was still cool comparing to the Middle East that's scorching hot. Yeah. And Yeah. And Madrid, like 3 days ago, it was around 35 degrees. And here it's 20, 20 to 25 degrees only. Okay. Lovely restaurants with sitting outside, flowers, bars, shops. So cool. Their architecture is amazing. Because this is the old town, guys. Okay? There's another huge tower of a church. And on that side is a famous square. I forgot the name. I went yesterday, so please check the first vlog. Today will be to the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. Okay, so let's keep walking. Keep walking. Ayan, dyan lang po yung hostel ko. Malapit lang. Ayan, mga kabayan. Diba? Bihira lang ang mga kabayan dito, but if you see them, they know you and they will just smile at you. So guys, this is not a flat town, a bit hilly, so you need to wear your comfy shoes like mine. Okay, I'm in a dress, but you know, sneakers, this is still the best to wear because of the cobblestone street. Tapos hilly siya. And don't forget to bring your water as well. And this is where I ate. Last night I had Estonian traditional food, which was really a hearty meal. Whew. Ayan, Saint Nicholas Church, I think that is. I've seen also yesterday, but at the back of it is the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. So let's go there, guys. Ayan. Whew. Jaan Cross. This one is also a prominent statue in here. I'm gonna tell you later about it. I'm gonna research first and I'll put it on the caption. Check on the caption below. Alright. I mean, if you have how many days in here, you can just slow down. Yesterday, just a few hours, I arrived around 1:30 by the time I checked in. Blah, blah, blah. I went out around 3:30, 4 o'clock. And I was able to go around most of the renowned highlights of this old town of Tallinn. And now this is my second day. I went out around 12:30 and you know, slow pace, guys, because hopping from one city to another, it's also exhausting. So this is a vacation. Need to chill a little bit. Anyway, so I'll keep walking while you enjoy the pretty views. Whew. Paakyat kasi kaya hinihingal ako. Kaloka. Ayan ang auntie nyo. Ayan ang auntie nyo. Hinihingal kasi paakyat siya. Ayan no. Ngayon, there's more paakyat over there. Papunta sa isang church. Woo! Ayan, and as you can see, I've been here for how many days? June 25th. So just 5 days Luto na ako, oh. Kasi ang init sa Madrid. Ayan, ganda ng street. Tapos, ito nga yung St. Nicholas Church. Ang taas. Napakataas, guys. Sasakit yung leeg nyo kapag nakatingala lang kayo. At saka, kailangan maghanap ng magandang angle para makuha siya kabuuan. Kasi, ang ganda niya at saka ang taas, guys. Ito daw yung isang pinakamataas na church dati. Hindi ko na alam ngayon kung alin yung pinakamataas. Pero, nung unang panahon, ito yung isang pinakamataas na church. Kasi ang taas talaga, guys. Ayan. Whew. Alright, dahil hinihingal po ako, rest a little bit. Let's go to the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. Ayan. Okay, so akyat tayo dito. Daming tao. Daming shop. Lang cute ng aso, oh. Golden retriever. Ayan, mataas siya. Oh my gosh. So, dahan-dahan tayo. Little by little. Ayan, pag gumala dito, gusto mo nang maka-explore. Kailangan may powers kang umakyat. Akyat pa more. Dahan-dahan. Ayan. May gate. Ang daming tao. Siyempre. Okay, pa more. Merong gate dito. Marado na words. Heading to. Yeah. Now I know. Yung tower. Okay. Mamaya na yung tower na yan. Akitin muna natin yung church. Ako lang yata nagbablog dito. Ay, ang ganda ng church from here. Ayan, mainit na kanina, sabi 18 degrees. Ngayon, mainit na kasi alauna na. Ayan. Saan na ba yung church na yun? Wala pa rin. Okay, ito yung isang wall ng Old City. This is the wall. Ayan siya. At pwede mo siyang akyatin. Yeah, you can go up. Yung stairs na sinilip ko kanina, yan yung paakyat dyan. Okay, yan nga, may mga tao sa taas. Oh. Yeah. So, syempre, may mga nagja-jamming sa lahat ng tabi. At kung may euros ka, bigyan mo rin sila. Oh, nice. Overlooking view. Tingnan mo naman. Ayan, nasa taas tayo ng bundok. Yan ang view. Diba? Ang taas niya talaga, guys. Kita kahit saang point yung tower ng church na yan. Okay. Ang ganda talaga tingnan yung tuktok ng old towns kasi yung mga red roofs nila, red and orange. Yan, makakapal na roof yan para sa cold season dito sa Baltic countries. Ayan po. Okay, let's proceed. Doon, restaurant lang naman. Punta natin tong ano. Ito na yung church. Ay, nakikita ko na siya. Ayan, gusto kong basahin yung history niya, guys. Pero, antayin ko na mawala yung mga tao dyan. Ayan, sabi niya. Aha. So, sabi niya, Danish King's Garden. Okay. King of Denmark in 1311. This area was given to the lower town and the founded city wall became the border between downtown and Tumpi. The right to always remain on the strongholds field with the freedom given to the lower town and no one was ever to stop or interfere. Ayan. Ito siguro yung sinasabi niyang King's Garden. Okay. Now let's go to the church. Okay. Para maganda ang view, dapat sa distance muna tayo. Kasi kung malapitan, hindi na natin makikita yung beauty ng mga dome niya. Okay. Where's the English version? Okay. Varatorn. The gate tower of the short leg. Ayan yung gate tower naman yung pinag-uusapan. Yan. Okay. The gate tower of the short leg, the historical connection between Tumpi and the lower town. Gate tower which evokes Stalin's most famous ghost stories. Kaya pala merong mga statue doon na naka-black na naka-hoodie. Okay. Kasi parang yung mga guards. Ayan siya guys. Ang ganda, di ba? Oh. Bakit parang kahapon? I'm curious about a golden dome. Meron ako nakitang golden dome kahapon. Hinahanap ko din yon. It's on this area. So, hanapin ko din yon. But, this one guys, this is the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral of Tallinn, Estonia. Ayan siya. Okay. Zoom natin para makita nyo yung ganda ng architecture niya. Ayan, this is from the bottom to the top. There you go. Ilang dome? 1, 2, 3 small domes and 1 huge one. Okay. So, ewan ko kung makapasok tayo sa loob. Let's check if it's free. Because you know guys, I am a budget traveler. I just don't go inside. Kasi it's out of my budget, you know. So, ayan po. Let me take some pictures and then I'll show you what I can show you inside if I can get in. Okay, later. Akyat pa more. Nasaan kaya yung harap niya? Hanapin natin yung harap niya. Ang kukulit ng mga angkol. Mukhang may bayad, walang pumapasok. Ganun talaga. Ayan siya. Yan yung harap niya. Ang ganda. Zoom out natin. Yan. Ganda, no? So, walang pumapasok. I don't know. I'm gonna check it out on the other side kung pwede. Or kung may bayad. Okay, now let's check out again the wall of the old town para makita nyo. Dito tayo. Ayan yung wall ng old town. Yan. Ganda. Okay. Now, let me take a picture from here. Okay. Hanap tayo ng entrance, guys. Kasi alam nyo, ang ganda kasi sa loob. Super ganda. Like the one I've seen in, where was that? Alexander Nevsky. In Bulgaria, I think. In Sofia, there was one which with golden domes. Ang ganda, guys, ang ganda. So I'm sure this one is also amazing inside. We can get in free. Oh no, I think it's closed. Kasi pansin ko walang pumapasok na mga tao. People are just in the surroundings. I think sarado siya. Today is what? Friday. Sarado siya ng Friday. But anyhow, guys, the square is also beautiful. Ayan. Ito yung isang entrance. Sarado pa rin siya. Walang pumapasok. Ayan. So from here, ang ganda-ganda. Ayan. Sarado siya. Sorry. Okay. So I'm gonna take some pictures again. Okay, if you don't want to walk, ayan, meron naman silang train. Although magbabayad ka. And I don't know how much. When I was in Marseille, meron din silang train papunta doon sa church sa taas. Ganon din dito. Ayan. Okay. Para sa mga walang powers na maglakad uphill, there is a train for you guys. Okay. Yep, so as a solo traveler, what I can say is safe siya dito. Ayan, there are police everywhere. Yung dalawang mama doon na naglalakad, mga police yun. And anywhere in this square, merong police. Okay. And the latest I was out last night was around, I think 10:30 p.m. So far, marami pang tao sa labas. And the sunset here is so late. It's around between 9 to 10 p.m. So, maliwanag pa siya. And the streets are also well lighted naman. Okay? So, let me take some photo, guys. And then I'll show you guys around. Stick around, please. Okay, somehow, it's open. Pero ang daming tao. Tingnan natin kung pwede mag-video sa loob. Yeah. Okay guys, so we were just inside briefly, but it's not allowed to take some photos and videos. I got like maybe 1 or 2 seconds and then I got called out. So anyway, lumabas na ako. I have to go out. Shame on me, shame on me. Ayan. So as expected, maganda sa loob. But I think it's under renovation or restoration something. Kaya, but anyhow, iba-iba kasi yung policies ng churches. There are some churches that you can just go in and take some photos and videos. Ayan. Pero dito, bawal. Not like in Sofia, Bulgaria, that it was free to go in, take as much video and photo as much as you want. But over here, bawal siya. There was also one cathedral in, where was that? Kazakhstan, I think. Free siya mag-enter and free to take videos. But like I said, it depends on what they want. Yeah? Okay, so we can just appreciate the outer facade of the church. Kasi super beautiful naman siya. Ayan. Okay. The history of this church will be on the caption below or check on the description box. Because honestly, I did not research about this church. It's not my thing actually to research beforehand. I just research after pag nag-edit na ako ng videos. Yeah, that's my thing. Alright, let's move on. I don't know if I have been here yesterday, but yeah, just have to take some walking everywhere and then check out. Check it out kung anong meron doon. And then take some photos, videos, and so itong square nito is called Lossy Flats. Yan yung pangalan ng ano. Wait lang kasi may nagbe-video. Have to respect our fellow tourists. Ayan. Anyway. Ayan. So, in continuation, yan, there's another tower in there. Let's find out what it is. It's a church, a town hall. Dito palakihan sila ng tower. Maganda yung mga tower nila dito. So ako guys, I don't rely on the map so much. Pag may nakita akong tower, doon ako pupunta. That's my kind of traveler I am. Although meron akong sa isip, meron na akong nasa listahan what to check it out, but sometimes I'll just go with my guts. Lakad lang ako ng lakad, and then pag nakita ko na may tower, yun yung direction ko. Okay, so I'm half a DIY planner and half random. Look at that. Aha, timing. What time is it? 1:45 to 2 o'clock. Ayan. Quarter pa man siya. Pero nagbatingting na. Okay. Ang taas din niya guys. Pero mas mataas kanina yung isa. Kalimutan ko na naman ang pangalan. My God. Check the caption below guys. Hindi ako mahilig mag-memorize ng pangalan. I can't. Let's check if it's free to go inside. Is it free? Okay, so it says, welcome to the Dome Church. So I think the mass is going on, and it says €5 for a pass. Okay, so I don't know if we can go in during the mass. Let's see. Okay. So may bayad ang pumasok. It's €5 for the church. Nagpa-play lang pala yung organ. Hindi ongoing yung mass. €5 to go in. €7 if you wanna climb the tower. But like I said, budget traveler tayo. We will not go in and spend that much. Okay? Kasi sayang ang €5. Pangkain din yon mga besh.